Are you looking a new construction home which is not far or around the corner from the most known hospital here in Central Florida, and also with a swimming pool, cabana, and dog park or walking trail inside the community? This property that I'm going to show you is the best fit for you right now. Are you ready to own and see this one? Let's go. What is going on? This is RJ Bautista, your favorite incredible realtor with LPT Realty, specializing in new construction here in Central Florida. Today in this video, I'm super excited to show you this beautiful new construction home, which is a mill run, the model of mill run by Pulte Homes. Just over 2,200 square footage, 4 bedroom, 3 baths, 2 car garage. Alright, and this particular home that I would like to show you is just around the corner from the one of the biggest hospital here, and also just under a mile or 2 miles from the good school around here as well, which I will tell you at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this video until this end so that you will see and understand what kind of school and hospital around this area. This is a very good location too. Alright, so as soon as we come here, as you will see it here, this is a beautiful entrance of the home, and as soon as you turn right here, you will have this door, which is the access for your 2-car garage. It's a pretty good space here for your 2-car garage, and also as soon as you turn left here, this next door on your left will be your shared bathroom, which you will have like a single sink here with quartz countertop, white cabinet, and tiles all over for your shower area. And now we are heading to this first bedroom at the first floor here that you will have. And estimated size of this first bedroom will be 11 by 12, and also estimated over 9-foot ceiling height, which is a very good one. And also you will have a good closet here as well, and a good plenty of room for you to enjoy this particular bedroom, right? So now we are heading to this main hallway or to the living space area. But before that, as you can see it here, you will have another storage here underneath of your stairs or underneath of this particular space. So you will have a lot of space here for you or storage in this particular house, right? So now we are heading to this the living space area, which is a pretty good size as well. And as you can see it here, you will have another space here for you for your, let's say, study table. If you want to have like another study table there, you can put it on there. And this is gonna be your living room area, your kitchen, and also your dining area. However, we are going to the kitchen area. As you will see it here, you will have like a center table here, and the size of this particular kitchen is a good space for you to enjoy, and you will have a good tile backsplash here, and also a good space for your kitchen, and you will have a single sink here, and also a good cabinets here where you can store it for your food. It's really good, very good space for you that you can enjoy. And also this particular area, you will have a dining area, and this double door here is your pantry, which you will have a good size for your pantry to store your food. So overall for this one, I like this one because it's all in one. So as soon as you come here, everything is on there. It's open concept floor plan, and this is like a living room area. However, before we go there, I would like to show you the covered patio or the lanai, covered lanai here at the backyard. And also I would like to tell you this sliding door. I love this sliding door because you can have access from left and right, whichever you like to use the door, which is really good. And as you can see it here, you will have a covered lanai or covered patio here, and you will have a great space here at your backyard as well. And now what I will show you is the exterior look at the back of your home. Look how beautiful is this home, right? So this is the backyard and also the covered lanai area or patio area. We are going back to the living room area, gathering room, and the estimated size of this one is 15 by 16, which you can have a plenty of space. As you can see it there, you can put an L-shaped couch there, which is a pretty space for you as well to put it there and enjoy it. And now we are heading to the second floor level. So here in the second floor level, as you can see, you will have a carpet here. It's a standard for this particular builder that they put the carpet on the second floor. However, if you buy this property and you close this property, you can remove the carpet at your choice. But however, you need to pay for that one because this is the standard of what they do. And here is the second floor level now. You will have have the second floor living room area, which is pretty good and pretty cool too. And this particular door is like a linen closet or additional closet, and this particular room is your laundry area or utility area with washer and dryer. However, the washer and dryer is negotiable, so it depends on when you're gonna buy this property if the washer and dryer will be included. All right, and now we are heading to the master bedroom or the owner suite bedroom, which estimated 13 by 15, which is a pretty good space as well for you to have it, and also it's a good space for you that you can have. And this particular area is your ensuite bathroom. You will have a his and her sink with quartz countertop here, and also a private toilet here, and this glass door shower area with fully tiles, which is really good. You have a plenty of space here, and this is gonna be your walk-in closet. Look how big is this. You will have like a little space there for you and go around with this particular room for your closet, which is a really good space for you that you can store your clothes, which really like. And also what I love about this particular master bedroom, they will have like a two large windows there for natural light, so it means like you will have a plenty of natural light on this particular room because of that two large windows, which is I like. And also what I like about that particular thermostat for your AC, so you can control your AC even though you are not at home, which is really good. And now this particular door or this particular area is your AC door, which they have using Linux, which is a good AC brand as well. And this is the shared bathroom here on the second floor. You will have a single sink here, quartz countertop, and also your private toilet there, and this fully tiles shower area and a bathtub here, which is a really good space for you that you can use for this particular area or for this particular shared bathroom. Now we are heading to this bedroom number 3, estimated 10 by 11, and you will have a estimated over 9-foot ceiling height here, and also this particular closet is sliding door. And as you can see it here, you can put a single bed there or also a double bed, which will easily fit in this particular bedroom. And right next to it is this another closet or linen closet, and this is the 4th bedroom or the last bedroom of this house, which is the size of 10 by 12. This particular bedroom here is a little bit bigger than the other one, and also the estimated ceiling height here is the same, over 9 foot. And also you will fit a double bed here, or if you want to put like queen size you can, but you can still have a space for the desk or whatever you put here. And also you will have a good natural light here as well with these big windows here on the side, which is pretty good. And I love, because I love natural light, makes your home little bigger because of the natural lights. And also you will have this sliding door closet here that you can use, which is a pretty good space as well for this closet for this particular home. And this is the home that I would like to show you, and what I promise here, which will be the school around this area, which is I would say between a mile or 2 miles, not more than 2 miles, because it's just around the corner. And the name of the school here is the Navigation Academy of Leadership here in Davenport, because this particular area is located in Davenport. And also what good about this one, this particular school here is rated 3.3, and also they are building a new school for, I believe, for high school, because right now they are on middle school. But however, once they finish the building the high school, so you will have like one middle school and also one high school right next to each other, which is not far from this community itself, which is really good and convenient for you if you have kids. Last thing that I would like to show you is the Davenport, the main hospital here, which is the Heart of Florida, which is really good because it's just around the corner from this one. In fact, it's just the opposite side. Come to this particular community, you will just go to the opposite side, and that will be the Advent Health, which is called Heart of Florida too. That's one of my hospital that I go to when I do my lab test. If I need to go to check up, I go to that hospital. All the staff there are really good, amazing hospital too. And also in this particular area as well, they have around the corner from the main shopping area, which is the Posner Park. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that one. And also if you need the supermarket here, it's just around the corner as well. It's called the Public Supermarket, and such more. I would like to tell you more, however I would like to stop my video for here for now. If you want more information about this property inquiry about the community itself, the pricing and all that stuff, feel free to DM me, or you can text me on my work cell phone number. I will reply you as soon as I can. And thank you for watching this video until this end. And if you stay until this end, please comment down below new home so I could see how many people who watch this video until this end, and appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Once again, I'll see you on my next video. I'm out for today. Peace. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Okay? Bye. Bye.